stream. There we go.
You got a sore throat or something?
Yeah, a little bit.
Right.
We start in 50
I'm sit
seconds.
down, you innit?
Yeah. You can check the stream. We have a timer now.
Oh, is it? That's good.
Yeah.
1 minute. Are you using Streamlabs or
No, I'm not
you
using
just checking it out?
Streamlabs. I'm not using Streamlabs, no. I just did Python.
No, I'm just saying because I got an email saying you downloaded it or.
Oh yeah, I was just checking it out. Yeah, I just want to see if I can use it. We don't need alerts, so it's fine. I made a lot of tweaks to the thing. To be fair, loads of tweaks.
Yeah, let's see. That looks good. That looks sick.
And then look at this. You just wait for the scene, bro. It looks
But
like.
I don't want to be that guy. I don't want to be that guy. But it says enigma with an M.
Oh yeah, that's true. I need to change that. But yeah, trading starts now, bro. Welcome, welcome. Hello, everyone. Let me just wait you out, man. Show your face, G.
Hold up. Hold up. There we go.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, check the stream, bro. Yeah, it'll make you laugh. I got my
Make you
Lambo.
laugh.
Yeah, I got my Lambo in the back, bro.
Hold up. Oh my god.
Got my Lambo in the back.
Looks sick. Looks sick.
Can't be fake because I have no green screen.
True. True.
I'll wear green next time to prove that I don't have a green screen, just to show you it's real. But yeah, hello everyone. I also made a new scene. It's just chilling, and then yeah, I'll add you on there as well.
Just chilling. Go on, let's see that.
Just a chat, and then my face,
Yeah, that's pretty good.
and then obviously the closing bit. We don't need to.
Actually, hold up. Let me see how fast it loads in there.
No what?
Oh, it's my boy Adeel's back. What's going on?
Hey yo. How long's the delay? Let me know.
Okay, now it's coming up.
Yeah, there's a bit of a delay. I don't know how to change the delay.
Could be worse, but
10 seconds. Are you okay?
what about the actual stream?
It's gonna be the same thing. No, it's the same chat. If I go
No,
like,
I mean, like the charts, are they delayed as well?
yeah, of course, yeah, of course. Everything's delayed by however long it took for the chat to do the output.
Okay.
Let me check stream. I mean, no, I don't think you can change the delay. You know, I know in Twitch you can change the delay a little bit, but yeah. I'm gonna change the banner. It's just literally just temporary, and I'm just playing around with it. So,
Alright.
but yeah.
Yeah. I like the scrolling social media.
Yeah.
And all that stuff. Subscribe. But yeah. Could do with the little. What would you call it? Dolling it up. I don't know
Yeah.
what you call it.
Yeah. I was just really late. I was doing it late last night, and I just wanted to finish. So I was like, I'll put something together
Nice.
quickly. Still took a bit to figure out how to do everything, but. And the sizing's the annoying bit. But yeah, all done.
You mean of just everything in general?
Yeah. Because obviously, look, I had to make my screen smaller in order to accommodate for the other things. But when you make your screen smaller, all the dimensions change, and you don't know how much space you got on the top, how much space you got on the bottom, and stuff like that. So yeah, it is what it is.
I guess it's just about zooming in more when you're explaining. That's all. It's all.
I'm already zoomed in, anyways.
Mine is zoomed in. Yours is. Anyway, what is?
Concurrent viewers 1. Hey, Adeel, how you doing? I always put like send your trade in the chart, send your analysis in the chart, so we can we can analyze it for them as well. That's part of it. Right. Pound USD, we might see a push up from here, you know, as expected. You can see, I actually called it, you know. Look how good that is. I just read my script. Show my script.
Yeah.
Hide self view. Yeah. So look again. Look. I was calling it from up here. A push back down, make a double bottom. We made equal lows. Push up. Now we're retracing to this weekly level. We could potentially see a push from this weekly level up here. If you look at the lower time frames, this is where we're really seeing more clarity here. We have lows here that it might create equal lows over here. Well, it has actually created equal lows over here. And you can see we're already taking early sellers as early buyers as well. With this temporary high and equal highs over here. We shot up from there, finished back down below. Now we can easily take these lows and then continue rallying up for GBPUSD. That'll be my first trade, I reckon, for the week. Yo,
that looks like a big boy grab right there.
It's gonna be a big boy. It's gonna be a big boy.
Look
trade,
at that,
bro.
man. What time of the day was that?
Probably
Asian
like
session.
Asia high, that is, yeah. That's Asia highs, bro.
Bang on Asia. Grabs everything from, what was that, New York?
Yeah.
The whole New York session. The other Asia session. Yeah, it just all got sniped, then it shot straight back down.
Yeah. TikTok didn't blow up as much as I hoped, by the way, just to let you know. We only got 66 and 62 views, respectively, on each video. But the other ones, we got 538, 548, 574, 838. Yeah. Unfortunately, those two didn't blow up, but it's fine. Happens. It's starting to get more traction now, though, because people are starting to...
I think they start you up high and they expose you a lot, then it's your job to get back up the hill.
Yeah, probably. That's fine, though. It's fine.
Yeah.
Just keep making new accounts, innit?
Of course, that's what we're doing. Yeah, GU, what I'm thinking now is, let's see. Because yesterday, I believe.
Oh, you made a friend of mine followed. Well, not a friend of mine. A friend of Oscar followed on Instagram.
Nice.
Yeah, I do expect a push back down here.
Now the new daily started. I think it is tricky to predict GU at the moment. It is very tricky because we're at not all-time lows, but we haven't been at these lows since 2020. So weekly-wise,
that's why I said the only place to go up here is up. The only place to go from here is up. That's why I said that. But I did expect one more push down and continue up. So, yeah.
I think if you see the weekly, the daily, how we've left those relative equal lows at the bottom on the daily. I might as well share my screen, innit? I'll share my screen.
Hold on, I'm just checking if I'm lagging a little bit. I'm losing frames. What the hell?
Fine on my screen.
Excuse me, what the hell are you doing?
Fine on my screen.
No, I lost frames there. That was a bit of a weird one. Alright, go on, show your screen, G.
Yeah, can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on.
What happened? See your face now.
There we go. Yeah, I've got the new monitor, so I had to change the screen.
Oh, you got two monitors now? Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, bro. It's that one I was using for the Dell one.
I like your background as well now. That's good from back.
It's better than this.
I would turn your light on though. I would turn your light on. Just
better than this, isn't it?
Yeah, I would turn your light on for better webcam quality though.
I wasn't sure. Would the lamp be better or?
No. Full on light. More lighting the better. Jeez, we got a quick look at his room right here. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, you're definitely more clearer now.
Am I looking sexy?
Yeah, for sure.
That should be alright. Yeah, as I was saying on the weekly, the good thing is I've got this lamp here as well.
Yeah.
You know what people use when they have it in front of their thingy? It's sort of... This is just for my alarm, but I guess I can use that. Anyway, on the weekly, we've just taken these lows from 2020.
Right.
Right. So like I said, it's hard to predict what GU is going to do. Mark's saying it's going to go up because there's not much else we can do.
What else are we supposed to do? Yeah.
Yeah. Obviously, we can push down, but we've done it for so long, we sort of should expect to move up. So I went on the daily, since the weekly's hard to predict. Obviously, we're in bearish structure here. Took out this low here just now, as in like this was Friday, this is Monday. Took it out and then we started ranging. So clearly there's a liquidity grab of some sort just happened since we came straight back up. So now we should expect price to push up further overall. I think price should push up further, but what I've just noticed is this clear equal lows, double bottom, whatever you want to call it. After taking that low, it pushed, after taking the low, pushed up, took out any scalpers, and came back down and generated a support. So I can bet that people have bought off here and people also have major sell stops below this low with even more confidence than this previous low here. Because now we've actually stayed here, bounced around, and it's not from such a long time ago. So the way I see it, people have sell stops below here.
I would argue opposite, actually.
Say that again?
I would argue, first of all, we had a huge spike down. Buyers tried to create support up here, made price rally up, pushed back down. Now these people are kind of deep underwater here, right? Not deep underwater, but back at break even. Yeah. Buyers are back at break even. They actually sold their positions to close it and then push the price up again because they closed it.
But what reason did they have to buy here?
That's the all-time low.
True, but how would they know where to buy? That's what my thinking is here.
Oh, is this the all-time low on the left here?
No,
this. I swear the other one is the all-time low. Go on the weekly and you'll see it.
Oh yeah, no, it's not all-time low. I'm just saying like the other one's far away. Let's look down here.
Oh.
It's down here, all the way here. 1.05222.
Now look at the other one, the weekly.
If I just mark it,
here, look.
This is the most recent one.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking like.
Go on that 1 hour again. Oh, okay.
That's what I mean by we were relatively close to it. How would they know where to buy?
Yeah.
So I think this is the only logical place to buy.
Yeah.
So then, if prices to push up overall, which I think could happen as well, after such a depressing push down here, literally since it's been on a bear run since 24th of May 21.
Yeah.
21, not even 22. But yeah, so I think before we push up, at the least we can expect this grab down here. So in the short term, I'm thinking, where can we see sellers hunted out to catch that push down? So if we can catch something like this, catch this push down here, then overall we can expect to see buys. So now I'm going to go to a bit lower down. That's how delete the line. Saying that, we've already taken out this liquidity like we were just saying. So on the 15, the final grab I can see happening now is these stops right here. There are definitely buy stops waiting up here for the breakout traders. Just above here to catch these 10 pips, whatever that is. I think it's like 10 pips, 15 pips.
Yeah, definitely.
There's people waiting here. We already got the major grab. We've left, if you notice, we left perfect equal lows down here for more sell stops, and obviously below here. So I think if we come up here, then we start breaking structure on the low time frames and give us that entry, that would be perfect. And look, we got a 15-minute POI here in general, which lines it well. You might get one here, but like I said, it's risky.
Yeah, potentially.
Yeah,
makes
that's
sense.
my idea. It's different to yours,
sense.
but
it is.
I think we could get one more push down.
You'll be going against me.
as always.
Yeah. I don't know. How's that worked out for you?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
You would say.
Yeah.
Alright, fair enough.
GJ worked out perfectly yesterday.
I didn't go against you in GJ.
1 minute. Where's GJ? Actually, it wasn't perfect. I won't say it's perfect because we didn't end up taking out that low.
No, I see what you mean. Yeah, I see it. We pushed down quite a bit here. I do expect one more push down. I'm waiting for a retracement up though. I'm making a retracement up to 165. Yo, these graphics are taking quite a lot from my CPU. Surprisingly, taking a lot.
Which
from
graphics?
My CPU. You know the pairs we trade, like the
really?
subscribe.
Is that taking a lot?
Yeah.
No way.
I was able to stream Valorant yesterday perfectly with 0.8 FPS, right? It's just my camera.
Surely it's not that then. What?
It is. But if I hide them, hold on.
That's weird. What, does the CPU like speed up straight away? If you hide them?
Maybe not then.
Maybe it's Zoom, so you didn't know.
Nah, Zoom was fine. Zoom was fine yesterday. I don't know what it is. I may have to restart it at some point, maybe today or something after the stream. But yeah, I do expect price to. Jesus, bro, look at that! Oh my goodness, they dropped so much frames. Yeah, okay. I do expect price to go up to around 165 exactly, potentially for the continuation back down. In terms of level that I'm looking for, I'll just mark it down over here. And then continuation back down to the next VWAP level, or so the VWAP or the next the other 161,500 level. 2 trades today lining up. We also have gold lining up actually, which I called on Instagram.
Gold up.
And as for Bitcoin, I don't know if Bitcoin's lining up. I haven't checked. Yeah, a little bit. Nice. As I said, Bitcoin might retrace up to like 1973, around that level, before pushing back down to long term 17,600 is the level I'm looking for. Yeah, I don't know how that Bitcoin one didn't blow up, man. It was instant. After 2 hours, my target got hit. Maybe that's why, actually. It's because it's too quick.
Yeah. The algorithm doesn't know about it, does it? Yeah, that's the issue.
True, but people would probably share it like, oh, you know, look at this guy. He just called Bitcoin crash out of nowhere, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well.
Unfortunately, I didn't actually get it. Before it happened, you recorded it, didn't you, on the weekly breakdown?
I did, yeah. It's all on the YouTube channel. I'll make a video of it for Instagram, TikTok, and that. Actually, not TikTok, because I already made a thing on TikTok, so I'll just make it a short or a IG reel. But yeah, pretty good. Watch GBPAUD collapse soon. And GBPUSD to push up soon. You might get your entry actually. I don't know how far you're. Oh, you're taking these lows, aren't you? You want to take these lows.
On GU.
Yeah.
GJ we could get some nice sells. I'm thinking the day might end up bullish.
Depends where it started.
Share my screen.
No, that's not a big bullish candle though.
I mean, it could end up, for the week, I'm expecting these lows to be taken here.
Yeah.
It's better on the daily, isn't it?
Nah, I don't know. We could easily flip on the daily candle here.
The reason I say it is because we grabbed this liquidity here and instantly shot down.
Yeah.
And we took these highs here. So yeah, we've left a little something here. What are the odds we come all the way back up now? Instead of grabbing this sell side here.
Yeah.
I feel like the easier option right now, obviously we don't know whether the algorithm likes easier options, but I think it will prefer to come down here and the weekly finish bearish. But in the meantime, like if this was a lower time frame, I'll be waiting for price to come here We're waiting for price to come here.
Yeah.
Basically inside the order blocks that all here. So that's what I'm saying. The daily could end up bullish. And it sort of lines up with 15-minute. Look, we've grabbed this liquidity downside, pushed up. Downside, push up. So if you carry on that pattern for the rest of the day, buys could be nice. I need to switch to...
Nah, OBS is really taking loads of GPU as well. Wow. Power usage. Why is that so high?
What have you checked? Is it just those graphics then?
I mean, the camera I changed. Is the camera that inefficient?
Oh, maybe camera.
It is. It's so inefficient. Oh my gosh.
But can you check it for the individual?
No,
stats?
it's me taking my background off. Oh, it takes like
Oh,
40% of my. It takes 40% of my CPU. Is it really that much? That is crazy. I mean, to be fair, me being able to run it is a bit of a mad one, to be honest. Especially on the just chilling page, where it's literally the whole thing.
You're meant to have a green screen for that, bro.
That's, yeah, to be fair, yeah.
Hacking the system costs.
Yeah, to be fair, that's true. I mean, surprised that I can run it on the PC anyways, but yeah, let me just change that to take the filter off. Whoa, that's crazy. I was like, what is taking so much like power? You know, I was like, oh, okay, webcam then. Webcam. Take the filters off on this one. Oh crap. Delete that for now. Close. That's crazy. That's fine. That's fine for now. I was like, what is taking so much power? Did I break my PC? No, I didn't. That's why I have a backup, innit?
All I added was the Instagram logo. What's going on?
I was like, there's no way I was taking that much. Alright. Should I put it on gold? Shall I put it on the gold chat, the link? Let's see what they do.
Yeah, go on. Hey guys. Gold's fucking anyone over?
What am I anticipating for gold? Oh, a pushback down. That's what I'm anticipating. It goes out to.
Why didn't you give them what they want and say, hey guys, we're about to break down gold?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah.
That's why they're on the chat in the first place.
Yeah. I don't know. Gold's a toxic chat, though. To be honest, Gold's a bare toxic chat.
How many people in that one?
Like 40,000 people minimum, you know.
I thought you were gonna say something million.
Oh, probably actually.
I think crypto was like 36 million.
Is it?
Yeah. I think that might be.
Let's check. I don't know how to know. How do you check how many people are in there?
Oh yeah, it says 36.5 million somehow. It says in brackets next to the name. Yeah, gold 6.8 million.
We trade gold.
Keep an eye on the chat though.
I got it, don't worry. There you go.
Unfortunately, they're missing out on the Lambo. But it's okay.
They're missing out on the Lambo. I'm gonna share my screen as well, by the way, so you can see what I'm doing rather than having to go on the stream and that. Now that I have the extra CPU usage, I can do that now.
Yeah.
Stream health is excellent, but bro, that's crazy. There we go.
Can't have it in the back. We'll just show a picture.
I'm checking. I've got it on. What's it called? Can I please have that? Thank you. I can see the concurrent viewers as well, by the way. So just to let you know. Stream latency. I have it on low, so that should be. I don't know why it's so high. Let's see what people said. People probably said no, don't want to, go away. Can you hear the music, by the way?
So
I'm not showing my screen. I'm not showing my sound, am I?
Nah.
It's alright.
Can the stream hear it?
I don't know.
Well, now I can hear it, so they can.
Okay, good. Okay, I took it out. I just want to check.
Right.
Let's check it out now.
The quantity on GU has just been.
Hiya, thanks for joining us, man. How you doing?
I can't see the chat.
No, I mean I can see concurrent viewers. That's why.
Very nice.
Are you watching as well?
No, I'm going on it now.
Oh, we got 2 people. Hey, hello guys. Just 1 second. Just trying to sort stuff out. Can you guys hear the music, by the way? Yes or no?
5 watching. Let's go. Mark's about to break down gold. So if you want to see his analysis.
Oh, show me your guys' analysis and
Yeah.
we'll compare.
True.
You can already see my analysis. I use a VWAP and volume profile. You can see that this matches up quite well. High area of high confluence over here. So I'm expecting a deep retracement up here. And if I was to guess, from here to here, it's probably going to be like 61.8 or 78, 78.6 retracement. So if you guys use Fib, it lines up quite well here. It's actually between those two, see? I don't use Fib often, but if you guys use it, then there you go. What, you guys bullish or bearish on gold? Take the gold chat into this chat right here. Having your arguments in here.
And
it's fun to watch, to be fair. Yeah, so you can see I use, I don't know if you guys noticed as well, we had a huge major break over here on the left. It's quite quite apparent that we actually want to stay bullish, bearish. As long as the week can kind of finish below, we should fill in this gap, this range over here, as it is quite a clean candle on the left. You can see not a lot of resistance or support or anything to really stop it from going down, as long as we can continue to stay below. But that's yeah, obviously if you're
I haven't actually checked gold until today.
You haven't. You don't trade gold. You trade GU.
But
and
look
GJ.
at this grab right now.
Yeah.
Jesus.
I mean, yeah, we could eat. That's what I mean. Because we grab. Like,
That's why you want the bounce up. I
yeah,
see.
Yeah, I do want a retracement first. Obviously, in trading, we're told to sell high and buy low, right? So if I sell here, I'm actually technically selling quite a low price. So I kind of want it to go up first. That's how I see it.
Yeah, man, you have to buy the dip. Come on.
No, you gotta buy the highs. You
don't sell the dip.
Buy the highs. Buy Bitcoin.
You buy the highs, sell the low.
70K. All right.
That's true.
Buy the Bitcoin 70,000, and then you're golden.
True. For that 1.3 return, it's worth.
It's like golf. The lower number you get in the end is the better, right? That's how it is. That's what trading is like. Surely. That's what I thought. That's what I've been doing.
It's just logic, you know.
That's what I've been doing. I thought the more FTMO accounts you blow, the better. That's what I heard. No? It's only £500 for FTMO. It's nothing much, surely. You can blow that. To be fair, that is actually crazy though. Like FTMO, if you blow an FTMO, it's like blowing up a £500 account, which, to be fair, doesn't sound too like a lot, realistically.
Yeah.
Which is like, Yeah, I don't know. No, you put that into
I think
perspective.
it depends how long you had the account, how much
True.
money you made.
You put it into perspective. Blowing up a £500 account isn't that much, but then again, it's the opportunity cost of the amount of money you're losing out on for blowing up a 100k account. Yeah. I mean, I've blown an FTMO account, so I can't really say anything. But yeah, it was only one though. It was one. I was pissing around. All right, leave me alone. I was a young boy. I was a young lad.
Making foolish mistakes.
Making foolish mistakes. No. It was a sad time. It was a trying time in my life, blowing up an account. If you guys want, how many here has blown an account before? Be honest. Don't say like, oh no, like.
Bro, I expect 6 messages in the chat.
Actually say if you've blown an account or not.
Especially if you're on the gold chat, you've got
to have blown an account in gold.
You're on the gold chat. Come on, don't lie.
Maybe a bit less than US 30, but you must have blown an account. I remember one time when I had like what £500, £600 in my account. I lost 70 quid in one day on gold, all because I was going to Five Guys and I didn't check my trade, and I was like, oh, I was with my girlfriend as well. I was out there. Oh god. I don't think I'm paying for this meal today. Just lost 70 quid. No, I still pay for it. So technically, that day I lost like 100. Cause Five Guys.
All for a bit of Five Guys.
Five Guys is expensive, you know. I don't know what it is, but it is an expensive fast food place. I don't know why. It's weird, man. It's weird.
Was it the one in town or another city?
The one in town. The one in town.
I went there once. I got a milkshake.
They're quite nice. They're quite nice.
These. I need to go back there.
No one's blown an account. You guys are joking yourselves, man. You lot are joking yourselves. That's
2 people left. They blew the account. 2 people left.
Yeah, they blew an account for sure. They were like, oh.
Shit.
I
thought I dealt with this trauma.
They give PTSD. That's crazy. See, this is the issue with like not being a scalper and streaming. You can't really give like an analysis straight away or a position straight away. But yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? It is what it is.
Does anyone trade GU in the chat? GBPUSD.
Actually, yeah. Let's look at other breakdowns. But to be fair, they're here for gold, aren't they? But yeah, let's look at crypto because I've got a position on gold, crypto soon. Bitcoin. Crypto's booming. So yeah, I'm expecting price. It's actually quite close now. I mean, in crypto terms, it's still like 523 pips, but it's not that much for Bitcoin. You can hit it. For crypto, I do expect a push back down here from this VWAP level. Where's my forecast? From this VWAP level, and plus if you look at the 12-hour as well, we do have quite a bit of a node forming around that level. You can see here we have a bit of a node forming around this level as well. If you guys don't know what this is, a volume profile. I look at where price is highest volume, and what I'm anticipating is for traders over here to hold their positions because they put a lot of volume into here, right? So they want to protect a lot of their money. So if price goes back to this level, they want to really hold it for continuation back down. So that's a good way to look at retracement levels as well. Obviously there's fibs, there's different, like I'm more of a retracement trader. I don't like breakout trades because I like to sell high and buy low, right? So yeah, I don't really look at breakout trades, but there's loads of different retracement tools that you can use. Like you can use fib, you can use a VWAP even. I use both. Yeah. How do you guys trade? How's everyone trade here, man? I want to know everyone's strategy. What's like? Do they trade smart money or like stuff like that? Because Adeel trades smart money.
Yeah. Speaking of, I'll share my screen. Let's show my GU.
Yeah, show your. Go on, share it.
There
he is. There's a beautiful man. You were full screen for a second there.
Was I not on before?
No, you were like full screen for a second.
Yes, GU. Like I said, we had this liquidity grab over here. We took it out and instantly pushed down. After we pushed down, I should make it clear what I'm talking about. This liquidity here, as soon as we pushed above, we activated loads of buy stops. Any breakout traders that were trading here, they thought, okay, once we break this, we're going to push higher. Now, we did push a little higher. I don't know whether they would take profits or not. Maybe they're expecting price to go higher. But instantly, we pushed down. As we push down, what do? Create support. Now we've got sell stops waiting below here. So what my idea overall is, we grab liquidity from the upside. So now we're going to go down towards the downside and grab some sell stops here and continue further downwards before pushing upwards overall. So in the meantime, I'm just thinking, how can I catch this sell now? Oh. Wow. For the streamers. For the streamers. Why? Why? But yeah, hang on. I'm thinking, how can I catch this GU sell? First of all, we've got this 15-minute point of interest here. But in general, we've just grabbed liquidity from here, activate some buy stops. So what we can expect is something of this nature. At the minimum, we activated buy stops. So now we take out their stop losses, driving price further down, giving the real sellers more buys for their sell downwards, allowing them to fill their big orders, then taking out this, etc. So now I'm looking for ways to catch this sell. Preferably it comes into this 15-minute area here.
It is about to be fair.
Yeah, then on the 1 minute, we break structure and then we enter. Stop loss above the high.
Nice. Lovely stuff. Did you guys catch all that? If you didn't, yeah, you did it.
I like to believe I explained simply.
No, it's the concept. It's not the simple bit.
True. You mean the liquidity buys?
Liquidity, like, you know, and stuff like that. It's not a simple concept to really wrap your head around. Like, most obviously traders would just think like, oh, price just moves because it moves. They don't really want to, or they don't believe that they need to learn what really moves the market and why the market moves the way it does. So, you know, it's not a concept people really look to learn. Well, most anyways. Well, most don't do it. Some, I'm sure, like, would love to learn it, but yeah. If you want to learn it, we got a Discord channel.
I think it's sort of silly to not look further into why the candles are moving.
Yeah, very true, very true.
Like, because if not, what are you really doing? You're making money off lines on a chart.
Yeah.
Like, what's actually gonna? You don't know. Little price bounce from here to here. Like, if you don't know why it's doing it, well, what's the point? Then you're just. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like you have to learn more about it. If not, it's like you don't really care about the trading itself. Then you really are just in it for the money. What's the point?
Yeah.
What's the point? Yeah, we have tapped into that area. Psych.
Oh wait, we're getting there. We're getting there.
So we are in there now.
Yeah, we're just waiting for it. We're waiting for it to break lows now, and then that would make your trade into fruition. Okay, GBPAUD. I'm actually looking at sells as well, just like you, and I do expect a push up first. So yeah, I can actually kind of lines up with whatever you're doing with GU. Actually,
interesting.
Yeah.
It doesn't normally line up, does it?
Kind of does. I mean, well, with this one, we've made equal highs over here on the left, so there is liquidity up here. So yeah, I do expect price to kind of breach it and then finish back down below for the continuation down. But yeah, we'll see.
This
is quite a big target. It's quite a big target though. This is a 162 pip target as well. So I'm about to be eating all the five guys, bro.
Payback.
All the five guys. We also made actually equal lows down here, which we'd want to take, but I don't know. It doesn't look like we're going to be taking it anytime soon. We're really high up. Happy to sell. GJ. Let's look at the 12-hour time frame. Whereabouts? Yeah. GJ as well. VWAP's about to be hit soon. Maybe tomorrow. That's soon for me. Remember, I hold these trades for like 3 days minimum. So except ones I don't get to like enter on because they seem to be hit after like a day, even though like 200 pip targets. I'm not always on the chart. Jeez, give me time to execute. Market. Oil as well. I was expecting a push up all the way up to 93. Only got up to 90. Rejected the VWAP. Went back to the lower deviation. We could potentially see one more push over here and break these equal highs on the 12-hour time frame for the continuation up for oil. So petrol prices, gas prices should be climbing in soon as expected, but after hitting this weekly level, I do expect price to kind of rally to the downside here. So DXY has been a tough one to trade. I don't trade it and I just look at it because it's interesting, but yeah, it's been a tough one. I mean, it's a major level at the moment. It's actually stalled at a major level here. So yeah, we actually stalled at a major level here. We could expect some sort of retracement down, potentially down to this level over here. And then continue up. But yeah, Dixie's just been very strong. So it's really hard. It's just really hard to really look for retracement moves because it's just been really, not really ranging, or it's just been, what's it called? When it's not ranging. Impulsive, just been very impulsive. There we go. S&P 500 we almost called perfectly. So from the start of the week I expected a bullish move first and a continuation back down from this initial move on the left here. As you can see, we kind of had that. We had a small rally up, expecting it to go to 4,200, not because it's 420, just because it was a major level at the day for the daily time frame. But yeah, it did continue back down. It actually rejected this. You can see this high volume node on the left here, almost to a T, which is very interesting. It just shows that yeah, it's, you know, the volume profile is definitely more accurate on S&P 500 indices and stuff like that rather than Forex. Forex you can't really rely on it too much. Well, you can't rely as much as you can on S&P 500 and the indices due to over-the-counter trades for Forex, which happens a lot more. Well, happens infinitely more than indices. Nasdaq, yeah, basically the same. They kind of replicate each other, to be honest. So like, if you're winning on S&P and you're trading Nasdaq as well, you're winning double. All right, so yeah, but unfortunately we didn't actually reach the level I wanted to. As you can see, I expected to reach the VWAP over here. Unfortunately, it rejected this high volume node to a T again, which is annoying because yeah, I did miss out on this entire move. I probably would have taken some partials at this point, as it's in a very, very crucial area of the VWAP over here. You can see we're starting to stall here. Yeah, so that's what I was expecting, but yeah, unfortunately, price did not let me in. So the market didn't let me in. So yeah, but I still do expect Nasdaq to continue falling just as much as S&P 500, to be honest. But yeah, those are the trades those are the pair I trade, and indices and stuff. I trade like way more markets than you. From when we like stopped like talking and trading and stuff.
Yeah.
I've like learned, like not learned, but I've started to like take more trades from other areas.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
You must have got bored, man.
I didn't get bored, no. It was just like, this moves like almost the same as Forex, if not better than Forex.
I'm pretty sure everything moves the same. Like,
I wouldn't say exactly the same.
Liquidity wise.
True, yeah.
Like if you're trading using smart money at least, or liquidity wise, of course everything's gonna move the same.
Personally, I feel like there's a lot less fake outs on S&P 500 and stuff like that. Personally, I feel like
there's
a lot less fake outs in S&P than it is in Forex. Forex
in terms of smart money fake outs or normal fake outs? Like
normal fake outs, not smart money fake outs. Like as in like, I mean obviously you can explain it with smart money, like break down below. You can explain the smart money, but if it pushes back up, normally it will just continue back up rather than going back down to. I think it's because, I don't know, you don't really, it's not really like, no, it is a high volume market. I don't know why it doesn't do that though. There's a lot less you can hide in volume in S&P because like everything is actually recorded and everything is actually like in one exchange almost. So like maybe that's why.
Hey, makes sense.
But
GU's
yeah.
entered.
Oh, nice.
I'll
I see it.
quickly share my screen.
Yeah, go for it. There we go. GU's entered the block.
Can you see it?
Yeah, blocker.
Let me.
Oh, it's actually broken lows now. Oh wow, look at that reaction from GU.
I am. Yeah. So GU has entered the 15-minute area, like we said. Now we push down, leaving behind this 1-minute order block here. If you can't see it. So when price comes back into it, I'm gonna enter once we break a candle low. So the idea is we push up, then push down here, and I'm gonna enter somewhere around here with the stop loss above here, targeting
the 1 to 2.
The 1 to 2, which looks like we're about to do this now. We're about to give the entry.
Okay,
unless we push past, then I won't enter, obviously.
As long as price respects this high over here.
Price breaks this low here, stop loss will be above the high. Somewhere down here. It's hard to see, isn't it? Let me get rid of this.
There it is.
Whoa.
There it is.
We have entered. Like I said, stop loss above the high. 1493. All right, TP is 1.14391.
Hold your breath, guys.
And once we reach the 1-to-1, which is roughly, let's see, yeah, these candles here, I'll just mark it on. Once we reach here, I'll move to break even. Let's see. Let's check out XAUUSD in the meantime. No, I'm joking.
I wouldn't look away now. You're winning.
Yeah, I know. No, I wasn't actually checking.
Yeah, I'm joking.
Looked like I was looking out my window, innit? So.
How's the new trading environment?
I'll be honest, it's alright. It looks good with the whole monitor setup and everything.
Yeah.
Plus, I can just, as soon as I wake up, I can just turn on my laptop.
Yeah.
Like instantly, you know,
get
on the call.
Yeah. Oh, no wonder you're 10 minutes early today. I was like, yo, this guy's early today.
Yeah, I thought I'd join, then I'll be quiet. I just get ready.
Yeah.
I go wash my face.
Yeah. Break even's about to be hit soon.
We're about to move to break even on GU. It's basically there.
It's basically there, bro.
Alright, we're moving to break even now. Very nice. Now we are risk free. Inshallah, GU moves to the TP. Should be good. First trade of the day. Yeah, what was I saying? The only thing is, I don't know how loud I can be. These walls, I can hear people like through the walls. That's the only issue. Oh, Mark's disappeared.
Had to update Instagram, you know.
Nice.
Which, by the way, is in the link in the description.
Only the first plug of the day. Come on. You know, I was just saying, I don't know how loud I can be.
That's fine. Yeah, you don't have to be
It's
that
easy
loud.
to hear people through the walls.
Yeah, I don't worry, I heard you. I was just had my mic mute while I was showing that we caught live.
Yeah. We'll see if I get any complaints.
Of what?
That's the thing, though. 'Cause technically, if you're in your room, you can't get a noise complaint.
You can. If you're being
Yeah, but if it's 7 in the morning, it's not exactly a bad time to do that.
It is for most people. People don't wake up till 12 nowadays, right?
Nah, I was thinking like if it's uni time, I should be alright because everyone's up anyway. I'm pretty sure most people are loft, brother. They got the next 2 weeks to chill.
Oh, do they?
Yeah,
Actually, yeah,
I
to be
thought
fair,
it
you're in
was-
sports uni, aren't you? So like everyone's waking up early, doing a jog or something. Surely,
True.
you might have to start
Not
joining them the
everyone.
jog. You know,
I was thinking that, but I thought
jog at 5 o'clock in the morning.
I've already
get ready
got to
for the
wake up
charts.
early for the stream. I ain't
That's
waking
not, bro. 7 o'clock is not early by
Six,
no
six.
stretch of the
up.
earth.
Not
you know?
7. 7's normal. 6 is
6 is not that early either.
Yeah, but if the thing is, if I wake up at 5, I gotta go sleep at like 9.
No, you don't.
What you do if you want good sleep? So
How long is that? 1, 2, 3.
that's only 8 hours. That's not even a
Bro,
lot.
8 hours is it's too much, man.
It ain't too much.
It is too much, man. You can sleep at 10, 11 and still wake up at 5 and be good for the rest of the
Is
day.
it?
Bro, it's true.
Nah. I could do it. I know I could, but I don't need to.
I mean, to be fair, my body's probably
I'm the type of
used
guy,
to
if
it
I
now.
need to do something, I'll do it.
Yeah, but you don't need to. That's the issue. You're not out your comfort zone yet.
Is it heck? What do you mean out of my comfort zone? GU pushing back up. Will we get tapped up break even? I'm just making sure I was up break even.
No, we good. It's just retesting previous candle highs, previous candle lows over here. Over here, you can see. Just grab a bit of water bottle on the way down.
A water bottle. What?
What's in a water bottle, bro? It's liquid.
No, I know that. Oh, is your boy Michael entering now? He's just entered.
Michael who?
ICT.
Oh, nah, no
He's
way.
just entered here. That was the entry.
Firstly, he's not my boy.
Oh.
He's more your boy. What are you talking
Yeah, he
about?
is my boy. I don't mind ICT being my boy, bro. The man, the myth, the legend. All right, TP about to be hit. Can we smash through? Or did I jinx myself there?
Nah, Michael's entered, bro. Michael's entered.
Michael's in.
Michael's in. He's taking it
Bro,
all the way down to this level, minimum, bro.
Yeah. No, bro, not even that. Michael is targeting all the way here.
Nah, keep scrolling down. Go to the
This
weekly.
big
Go to
boy
the
here,
weekly
bro.
time frame. Go to the weekly time frame. That's where he's targeting, bro.
Bro, literally
Down there,
targeting.
yeah, that's what he's targeting. He's targeting.
Yeah, that is a big candle. Engulfing. Don't really trade like that.
There it
but-
is. That's
Oh,
a TP.
that's bad timing. Alright, TP has been taken in 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. It's been hit, bro. What you talking
It's
about?
been hit on here. It hasn't been hit on MT. It's not on MT5. It's not on MT5.
There it is. Surely that hit, man.
I've just been left in suspense here by GU. Anyway, TP's been it on stream, so
Yeah, TP's been hit, guys. Congratulations.
yeah,
Give everyone a round of applause.
very good, very good. Yeah, like I said, we called it all earlier.
Yeah.
I said we had this liquidity grab over here, pushed up, activated buy stops, and pushed instantly down. And my overall idea for the week is we get pushed downwards further, then we push up. That's the worst breakdown I've ever done. But
No, it was good.
yeah,
It was good.
the main logic was we grabbed this liquidity here, activated buy stops into a point of interest here. So we should push down and take out their stop losses. That was the idea behind the trade roughly. So we came into the 15-minute point of interest, broke structure towards the downside, left an area to sell from. So we sold on the break of this candle. Targeting 1 to 2. We moved to break even at this point here, and TP got hit.
Can you just stay on that screen 1 second?
There we go. I was about to close manually there.
Yeah,
finally got it.
just put it on your Instagram.
Finally.
Bro. Just put it on your Instagram and then just say take profit hit, update, take profit hit.
Oh right.
Yeah, that showed your trade. Don't worry, we'll get another one.
It's so easy to upload from here.
Is it? Oh yeah. No. I was gonna say put it on the
Like-
story, so you have to put your phone. Really, it's realistically you have to use your phone, but
True. Actually, yeah, since I'm gonna do the story, I might as well do it.
yeah. Sign is the swarm sign G.
Yeah. Quick 2%. Very nice.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. What is everyone saying? Hey, how come I got kicked up the chat of gold? What's going on? Is no one in gold?
Wow.
Bro, we're still on like the very bottom of gold.
You mean the chat?
Yeah. As in like,
As
we're
in-
still like the ones showing rather than...
As in, no one said anything.
Yeah, no one said anything past. Oh. Check for gold now. Oh, okay.
You must have gone against them all. That's good.
So, yeah, probably I probably pissed them off. So you can see, oh god, oh puberty, hello, we made it.
What?
My voice
Puberty,
cracked. My voice cracked.
I didn't notice
yeah,
that.
so
You could have got
gold-
away with it. I didn't even notice.
So gold, you can see it's rejecting the bottom deviation, the second deviation of this view up over here. I do expect price to kind of fly up to 16.95, potentially reject this view up over here, or onto the next high volume level, which is here. You can see that the high volume level actually matches up quite well with the view up, so that's where I'm expecting to sell from. What about you? Wait, what's your
gold.
target for gold? Not you, not you. I'm
Gold
talking
long.
about the guy.
All right. Is someone in the
Talking about
chat?
Kieran, yeah. Talking about Kieran. I don't care about your analysis on gold, bro. What are you talking about? Get out of here.
Is that how it is?
Yeah, bro.
After taking a win on GU.
You take your 1 to 2 and you know, you go buy yourself something nice, bro.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Your time will come when the
Like
fight
time
comes.
will come for what, bro? For 1 to 2s.
Don't worry.
Bro, I hit 1 to 4s when I sleep. Gee, relax. No, I'm joking. That's not financial advice. No, don't hit 1 to 4s while you're sleeping. Jeez. This is such a, like, this stream is just so, like, out all over the place, man. Are you just, recording yourself on, thing?
No, this is signing into Instagram.
To be fair, if you want a quick scalp, right? Here you go. Let's analyze this on the 15-minute time frame for everyone that's looking to trade this. Okay, so you can see I used the fixed volume profile over here, which is fixed to the session open, which is at 23 o'clock here in the UK. So at the start of Asian session. So yeah, and then I also use the view app over here, which is just the session view app, rather than, I think it's session is either session or weekly. It's a weekly view app. The other one is lower time frame is session. Okay, so you can see that we've created structure here on the 15-minute here. We actually also have the POC, not the POC, so the fair value actually over here, right? It is also shaping up to be more of a D shape volume profile. Because of that, I do expect price to be balanced, and when it's a D-shaped volume profile, what actually tends to happen is it's actually safer to buy in the lows over here, and then sell at the highs rather than looking for breakouts. So you actually prefer to actually just trend, just to buy and sell inside the trend when it comes to these types of volume profile. You can see as well that this VWAP could easily be lining up to look for buys, and then you could target the POC. Or you can move that to break even. You can move your stop loss to break even and target potentially the upper deviation, or the top of the session. I know that's a bit confusing, but yeah. So that's how you'd normally trade this type of volume profile and this type of market when it's short term. Anyways, my strategy. But because I'm more of a swing trader, I like to look for bigger moves. And I don't like looking for 1 to 2s because sorry, Adeel's muted, so he can't even defend himself.
He doesn't, but he takes like 1 trade a day.
I do.
1 trade a week.
1 trade a week, well, 2 trades a week or something. So
in the long run, he's a mug.
To be fair, currently, what?
In the long run, Mark is a mug.
I was about to skip over.
He's trying to flex while I'm not speaking. It's okay.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I do expect price to overall push down, but I do expect retracement up first. Don't make sense. Why do I have like 3 VWAPs, man? What the heck?
I can show my MT5 as well. Just called live on stream. Entry was here, TP was here. Here's the MT5. Entry was here, TP was here. Where's the volume on? Where's the new volume?
There we go, there's a quarter.
Where the bloody volume?
Where the bloody?
Hang on.
What do you mean volume? Volume what? Volume profile?
No, on my...
Oh right, okay. I was like the volume. Sorry, I speak in charts. I speak in charts, bro. I only understand chart work. Yeah, I'll be looking at the sell from here. Just delete that. It covers the entire area. There's no point having 2 areas. I'll just sell from 1704, 1705 around that level for the continuation down. Weekly target is actually 1610, so that's quite a lot of pips here. It's actually 946 pips, which is not bad at all. However, I do overall targets. If you guys want to continue selling, I reckon price is going down to 1400, 1450. Just a quick heads up though. Obviously, it's not going to do that all in one move. We're going to have loads of retracements. Like it could look like this, retracement back up, where you can hit stop loss again, push up. So just be careful. But overall, as a quarterly target or end of year target, I do expect price to go down to the monthly. If you look at the monthly liquidity down here of 1400, quite easily, to be honest. And I know you don't say this, but practically guaranteed that it's going to go down to 1400 if this bearish move continues. Practically guaranteed. This is where I like screw myself over. Like, he said guaranteed 1400, sell right now. I'm like, oh dear, oh no, I screwed up. No, I do think it's gonna go down to 1400 though. I will continue to be selling all the way down to 1400. I'll be ready looking for buys throughout the month or the week, the year. Well, basically the end of the year, until the end of the year. So yeah, GBPJPY, yeah, getting there. Are you looking at the stream right now? I'll let you finish actually. Whatever you're doing. Oh, it's not letting me look at the rest of the chat here. There's really no one on gold chat. That's crazy, you know. Never would have thought. Okay. Are we going to reject this level? Push back down? Potentially. You see with this, like, you see this right here? Because we actually haven't made an equal low over here, we could potentially anticipate to make equal lows so we can buy up. However, the next time, just be a bit careful though, because equal lows, so like double bottoms basically, however you guys want to say it, tends to get broken quite impulsively. So let's say we make a bottom here, you buy here, you target the POC over here. If price starts to break back down, it's quite easy to actually go back down, because they know your stop loss is going to be here. If you haven't moved it, they know your stop loss is going to be either this level because of the next major structure or a few pips below it. So they'll probably hunt it and then finally continue back down as well, continue back up as well. So just be careful of that when trading gold. But yeah, same thing with this. You can see that we haven't actually made equal highs here yet. So technically we don't know, you know, loads of retail traders would probably end up selling from this level, and what could happen is reach this POC level over here and then break that high. So just be careful. Loads of manipulation would probably occur. I don't know though, the markets are quite slow at the moment, so maybe not as much manipulation as usual, but yeah, just be careful of that, guys. GBPAUD is getting close to our area here. So my idea for this one is that we've created equal highs over here, loads of equal highs around this level. So I know for a fact there's going to be loads of liquidity, a lot of sell stops, buy stops around this level here. So up here we have what I like to call anyways buy side liquidity. I'm overall bearish on GBPAUD due to the trend of the market at the moment. You can see that there's no point of really fighting this trend. It's quite a huge trend, quite a big trend here. So even in the lower time frames, I like to look at that, even though, let's say you can see on the 15-minute, we're creating higher highs. You can see higher highs and higher lows. I'd still just disregard that personally, because overall the market is bearish. So I only look for sells. It's safer for me, it's safer for most people. And then we also have sell side liquidity down here. Because we haven't taken this yet, we can assume that price would want to take these sell side liquidity. These liquidity levels are more like, they're like magnets to the market, okay? So that's where they like to target, that's where they like to go. They also like to take those liquidity so they can actually start moving the market again. That's why this consolidation happens. This consolidation you know, phase happens because the market is trying to get more liquidity. That's why you don't just see markets going like this. You know, sometimes you need to go like this. Okay, and then we have price, you know, creating, even this is consolidation, technically. We still have liquidity down here. And then like buy side liquidity up here as well. So yeah, we do like to take these liquidity levels. Hold on, be right back. Okay, we're back. Okay, so back to the lesson. Yeah, so technically we actually want to take these liquidities up here in order to actually push the market back down lower. In terms of like higher term targets, I do expect price to go down to 169, and then if we break that level, if 169 fails to hold, we're going down to 166, 167 around these level. That's the price level I'm looking for GU. You can see that we've actually called this trend. Actually on the Discord, and I actually made a video about it. So we were expecting price to actually break this buy side liquidity, take these sell sides. Actually, it's a good example here. Here's a good example of how it works in real time. Okay, so let me just actually hide the session volume profile. You can see here that we've created equal lows down here. So this is where we call sell side liquidity, and up here we've created equal highs. So this is where buy side liquidity is, right? You can see how many times it's taken. So here we've taken buy side liquidity, and here we've taken sell side liquidity, but we still actually end up finishing back in that range, right? Again here, take sell side buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. You see how many do you see how many like what's it called, fake outs we have in this market before we see a major move to the upside. This was technically a major move because you can see how much it is. It was like 80 pips of a move in a day or something like that. So it's quite a lot, and in order to make major moves like that, we need to take out a lot of traders, a lot of, you know, what quote unquote dumb money traders, in order to actually move the market effectively and you know, quickly like that. Because bear in mind, these smart money, quote unquote smart money traders, the actual, like, you know, big institutions and stuff like that, they have loads of money they want to put into the market. They can't just put it all in one time. They have to like do it in stages, and they have to get more buyers in order to sell whatever they're selling. If no one's actually buying what they're selling, then how can they actually sell, right? Let's say, for example, in Amazon, you're trying to buy, let's say you're trying to buy GBPAUD the same way you're trying to buy an iPhone on Amazon. How can you buy something without Amazon actually selling it? You can't. It's not an effective market. It's not an effective transaction, so it won't happen. So in order to do that, you actually need to get more buyers. Where are the buyers? Up here, right? Now that you have the buyers, you're actually free to take it back down. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense for people. It's quite a hard concept to wrap your head around at the start, especially if you haven't heard of, like, you know, liquidity and stuff like that. Personally, they say this is all smart money. I don't trade smart money. I'd like to think I don't trade smart money, but yeah. That's basically how we're looking at, and that is the basis of most of my trades and most of my executions. In terms of my analysis, I think analysis is one of the easiest parts of trading, right? I think it's a 50-50 chance whether you get it right or wrong. I think it's mostly down to your execution, and in terms of execution, the best way to really execute is to find out where liquidity lies and how you can use that liquidity to your advantage. That's just a little gem you know that you guys can use for trading. I hope that helps. Cool. What are you doing, bro? You done with your Instagram? Yo, G, you good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Calm. I just spoke about liquidity and stuff like that. That's such an effective way of saying it. Like, if in terms of liquidity,
Amazon way is the best way to do it.
Honestly, it's such an effective way of saying it in terms of liquidity. Like, it's just like any market, right? If no one's selling, you can't buy. If no one's buying, you can't sell. Yeah. Simple. Tesco
does not use trend lines.
Yeah.
That's a saying.
Same way with finding fair price though as well. Like, if you put like a used iPhone on Facebook Marketplace and you put it for a brand new price, no one's buying it, right? So you have to find a fair price for it, and that fair price is going to be your target. That's actually what session volume profile actually does. Should technically be your target because this is where fair price is. This is where most people are buying or selling, alright? Buying and selling. This is where the equilibrium of the market is, actually. That's how I put it, because I did economics for a bit. That's where the equilibrium, where supply and demand meets in the middle. Oh, look at me. I did economics. I'm smart. Haha.
Are you really gonna keep saying that? I did economics.
No, it's a joke. That's why I say it. It's a joke. I mean,
you can't tell it's a joke.
Yes, it is, because, bro, it's a tone. It's how you say it. I should wear glasses and go like, I did economics.
I studied business in GCSE. You know business. I got a distinction in GCSE. Do you reckon the music actually matters?
About what?
Instagram Reels. Does it matter which one?
Like, for example, like, well, I know it does in YouTube, because in YouTube I use one that's very popular, right? So it's these Euphoria music. I don't
Yeah.
watch Euphoria, so I didn't know it was Euphoria.
Yeah.
But it blew up because everyone who's watching Euphoria, who watches Euphoria shorts, it went to their screen. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's also why it got more dislikes as well, because it got like a few dislikes. Because everyone watching Euphoria were like, this isn't Euphoria, dislike.
Fuck out of here. Who are you, bro?
It's funny, but yeah, it is what it is, isn't it?
No, there's that side, but I'm also wondering, like, if we choose a different music, surely it's still going to show it to the whole trading community.
Depends. I mean, like,
You get what I mean?
I don't know.
Like,
would
maybe
it?
it's a mix of both.
Would it?
Yeah, I'm just going to upload that as a reel as well, the story. Might as well.
Yeah.
People love the gangster music. I'm going to stick to the gangster music.
Oh, are you making
I
a
say-
reel out of it? Are you making a
I
reel
say
now?
gangster. It's done. I just need to put
Oh,
music
nice.
over again.
Probably.
I think that's the easy way to pump out a bit more when you catch trade.
I can't lie. I prefer the calmer music. I can't lie. When I'm trading, I love I like rap.
Oh yeah,
and stuff
while
like that,
you're
right?
trading, I don't. While I'm trading, I'm not listening to drill. Of course.
No. I'm listening, like, not drill, but I'm listening to
You
like
mean for
Kendrick
the
Lamar,
reels?
DNA. But
Yeah.
for reals, I prefer calmer ones, like just chill vibes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Guys, come along, stay. It's not like guys, stay. It's like loud music.
What do you mean, bro? His bitch is gay. What do you mean? His bitch is gay. I don't know what you're talking about. That's as chill as you can get. What do you mean?
I didn't put Central C on mine. I don't know, actually. I don't know. I don't remember
Let's
what music
just-
I put.
Let me just test it out. Let's see if it does good.
Yeah, D, bro. Do you?
Let's.
Yeah, it's weird though, because like even if I didn't put music on the other one on TikTok, it still kind of blew up a little bit, and I was like, what? How did that happen?
Yeah, I think it's a mix of putting it in the community versus based on the music.
Yeah, I mean this one had music in it.
Right, since you've entered the 15-minute area,
It's chill
take a
music
nice
though.
look up. Could say it's a rejection handle.
See what I mean?
Yeah, did that one do good?
It did, yeah. It was actually the highest one. It was the first one, so take that into consideration. But yeah, it was the highest one.
Right. First one on what?
First one on TikTok.
So it
838.
wasn't- Oh right, you changed the music. For that
Yeah, I
one.
did.
It's
Because
good.
I couldn't find the same music as you, or not long enough, not one long enough anyway. So I was like, yeah, had to change it.
I remember his name. Some French guy in it. Boulevard.
Yeah.
Boulevard. What will catch people in the description?
By the way,
Stream
because
live on
by the way, guys,
YouTube.
because my trades are so long term, it won't fit in one stream. So the best way to, like, if you guys want help with execution, execution as well sometimes, and risk management and stuff like that, and updates on the trade, the best thing to do is actually join our Discord server. It's actually free as well, just like this stream. So just let you guys know, it's just a quick heads up, because yeah, my trades don't normally last like 2 days, 3 days, or something like that. So yeah, just
Imagine waiting longer than 5 minutes for TV.
imagine not being able to move away from your screen for like 10 minutes straight.
You're on this. What? That doesn't even make sense.
Oh,
You're on
you,
it for 10
bro, you
minutes
have to
as
just go like this on your screen, like, come on, hit TV, hit TV. I can just go go with my day, innit? Just
Yeah,
go,
but then
like,
I'm
chill.
done. 10 minutes and I'm done for the whole day.
Nah, you got back
keep
testing, innit?
checking.
You got back testing, bro.
Is my trade doing good now? Okay, let's
You
go.
got back
Let's go,
testing.
let's
to
go
do.
5 guys. Let's go 5 guys.
Oh yeah, and below 70 quid, yeah?
How many? Did you actually spend 70 quid at?
No,
Five Guys?
I lost £70 and I spent 30,
Oh, that
40
was the
quid or
trade.
something like that. That's why it was
30,
100.
40 quid.
Bro, Five
Five
Guys is
Guys.
expensive, and we didn't know fries like
And there's
were
two of
big.
you.
I didn't know fries were so big, and we could have actually just shared the fries, but it was like, yeah, well, we bought 2 fries.
There's 2 of you.
Yeah, bro, it is expensive fast
40.
food chain. It is, yeah. It's expensive
That
fast
ain't
food
no
chain.
fast food, bro. That's expensive food. What's
I
going
mean,
on?
we had a decent burger, to be honest. So like, yeah, I mean, it tasted good though. It tasted real good.
Better
Though.
have tasted good for 40.
Tasted real good.
Damn. Are they halal yet or not?
I think.
5 guys hit the trend.
I don't think they are.
5 guys. 4 wives.
Four guys.
This one. I've got a feeling about this one. got a good feeling about this one. Just got to be careful with the hashtags.
Okay, GBPUSD. Oh, bro, look at that. It started to like push up, bro. Perfect TP, I'd say.
GJ potential sells.
GJ is potential sales. That is the vibe I'm getting to. But yeah, I'm still pushing up though. Not right now. It'll blow past this level.
GJ has entered a selling area.
No, I'll blow past that level. Sorry to inform you, bro,
a
but
decent break of structure was a downside. Let's see if it pushes past or an enter. If it, yeah, it's broken past now. Let's go. What time is it now? 8:20.
Crazy, bro. It's crazy. Look, gold trading right here. What's everyone saying, gold? What's everyone saying then? Oh, so much to read. This gold's more popping than the other one, you know. 6.8 million. Oh, no wonder.
Wait, which gold were you on?
Gold trading chat. I think I did put it on here, so just to be aware. There's so differing between like in this chat. Like some people use so many indicators, the other ones don't even use indicators at all. But yeah, I rarely see a balance. It's either way too simplified or so complex. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah.
It's weird. But yeah, actually, Bitcoin's actually about to enter a selling area.
When you say oversimplified, do you mean like they got one line and that's it?
Yes.
As in, like,
no, they have two lines. They have two lines.
Going up.
No, they got a trend line. They got like a channel basically, and they're like, yep. You know Falcon trading. I don't know if you know, like Michael Barber's old trading strategy. Yeah, that one. It's where he's actually trading like I already said this. I need to stop saying it again and again. He's actually trading smart money now, which is from so simplistic to now a bit more complex. It's like the difference is insane. To be fair.
You crazy. What about TikTok? Surely you can just upload this to TikTok as well.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I might as well.
Yeah, Bitcoin is so close to the selling area. It's going to create a third tap onto this level right here. And then boom, it's going to collapse down. If Sean Lee was here, he'd take the same trade as me. To be fair, remember when our trades did match up quite well though? For some reason, they always seem to match up.
Smart money, man.
It wasn't. I don't trade smart money. Maybe.
Bro, you do, man.
I don't trade smart money, bro. I use liquidity.
You have liquidity. That's smart money.
That's not smart money. That's me trading.
Bro, just say you traded.
No, because it's not smart money. If it's smart money, I would look at like, breaker structure and stuff like that, and I don't know, mitigation. I don't know a thing or two about mitigation, breaker structure, or nothing like that. So I just trade.
I mean, you know about it.
I could probably like subconsciously think about it, but no, I don't know about it. I don't know how to trade.
But I'm saying you're at least trading with smart money. Maybe
I probably am trading with smart money, yeah, without realizing.
Not even probably.
I don't know. We I don't know. It's because mine's so long term. I think it doesn't match up It doesn't match up well.
Yeah, well, obviously, right now I'm doing this the system one. Once I switch to the liquidity one, like I was explaining, we'll start matching up every day.
I reckon we would, yeah.
Literally, from the analysis I did at the start, it's always the same.
Yeah,
roughly the same. You just have to stick with
trade
strategy.
Okay, that's fine. Let's look at our gold. Let's look at gold.
Do you reckon Central sees on TikTok?
Would you say analysis is the easiest thing in Forex? I would. I think analysis is one of the easiest, if not the easiest thing to do in Forex. I think it's the execution that people struggle with.
You can learn your analysis from someone else. It's that easy. Look, Roger Banks proved it.
Yeah, true.
Even ICT's proved it now. In the first 3 episodes of that mentorship, He said, by the way, here's your ATM machine. This is how I trade.
Yeah.
The rest is
yeah.
sticking to it. Psychology, discipline. It's just about when you win, don't get too happy.
One is
When
confidence is a
That's
key
it.
one. Having confidence in the strategy you're using is a huge one. I'd say that's probably part with psychology, but like, yeah, it's whatever.
I think you just need to fix it in your head that if you stick to the system, you will do good. No matter the losses, no matter the wins. Then if you take too many losses in a row, or a certain month is really bad, then you look at the system and you think, okay, what was wrong with it? What was I doing wrong? But overall, you need to frame it in your mind so that no matter how you're feeling, happy, sad, you stick to that system. You just stick to it.
I'm not one for
Because now I used to worry loads. You know what I used to do?
Yeah.
I used to wake up, and if anything bad happened at the start of the day, I used to be really into that law of attraction stuff, innit? It fucked with my head. If I dropped a bottle, waking up, yeah, like, or if what can I say? If anything bad happened at the start of the day, or my mum said something to me, like literally in that first hour, I'd be like, shit, I'm about to lose a trade. And that was because the whole emotion thing that everyone says, you know, if you're not in the right mood, your trading's gonna go bad. If you're not gonna do this, trading's gonna go bad.
Yeah.
Then eventually I realized, hold up, if I just stick to the same system, who gives a fuck? Like, you're gonna profit anyway.
For me, like, why does the market care how you're feeling that day? Do you know what I mean?
It doesn't give a shit.
Like, why does it care if you're feeling bad? Like, oh, you're feeling bad? That's alright. I'll give you a bad trade just to suit you. If you're feeling good,
how does it know?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's just funny.
Where's the link?
It's funny, bro. It's funny to me.
Bro, where's the link? It's not God. You can't like imagine what you're thinking.
Yeah, like I don't get it. I don't get like the market doesn't care what emotion you're feeling. If you stick to a strategy, you're sticking to a strategy. End of. If you can't, if you can't stick to a strategy, if you can't stick to your own whatever you're following, then you can't be trading. Honestly, I know I'm not a system trader. By no means am I a system trader, but I believe you need a few guidelines to really help you.
You need the framework. Otherwise, if you're fully based intuition, then yeah, you're fucked.
No, you're guessing. That's if you're purely intuition, you're guessing. That's what it is. And I use intuition quite a lot. Like Adeel can tell you right now, half my trades are probably like, you know, me closing here is probably intuition. It's mostly intuition based.
Yeah.
But like I have like, you know, not data points, but experience in the back of my head where that has reversed from here. I'm not just because like I'm looking at a candle like, yep, it's gonna reverse. It's because I've seen that exact candle formation. I'm like, yeah, it will reverse from here. You know, 9 times out of 10, from what I can remember, it does. So intuition does help. But it's not. You can't just put purely intuition because you're gambling. You're gambling.
Legit, yeah.
It's like saying.
I mean, maybe there's some hedge fund traders out there who literally they come on the chart. They're like, they look at certain liquidity and this and that. I don't know how they trade.
That's not intuition though, because they're looking at liquidity.
No, but that's what I mean with intuition. I mean, your confidence is liquidity, but you're not looking for a fixed thing every day. You're just saying, you come on the market and you say, okay, liquidity's here, here, or here. We're doing this today.
Yeah. Maybe.
The reason I say that's intuition is because you've only got one part to the system. So and it's so variable every day. That's a better way of putting it.
Yeah.
The more variable it is, the more likely your emotion is to affect it. That's what I would say.
Yeah, true. There you go.
Where's Central Seronius?
Just a fruit for thought. Fruit for thought. Okay, we've got 30 minutes left. By the way, let's see. How many viewers do you think we got altogether?
On the stream?
How many viewers do you think we had altogether?
I'll be like 10.
14.
No way, 14 people dropped in.
Yeah.
Man, that's sick. Those 5 that were there, they stayed for a while before they went as well. I was watching.
I think it's because I went against them. They didn't like it.
Maybe it's when we started talking about blowing accounts.
I think so. They were like, they blown an account. Like, get out of here.
For fuck's sake, man. I was here for friendship. What's going on?
Why they gotta bring up my past, bro? Wait, what's dropping my frame
on
right
the
now?
TikTok. I play Doja.
What? Play Doja Cat. Hold on.
On the TikTok.
Play
No, I mean the song, Doja.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I'm playing it now.
You can change the length of it, can't you? I like that intro.
Hey, yeah. If I can sample that, I'd be sick.
For
Hey,
what?
man.
You mean for the soundboard?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be funny. I don't like that song.
I don't know about you, but about you, my time.
Why is it lagging?
Okay, we're not rejecting the bottom bit of the VWAP here. We're actually using it as support now for it to start pushing up here. One day I'll actually be able to capitalize from these because I do get these retracements quite well. Before, my confidence was so high that I actually would. Remember when I used to ping pong these? Yeah, that was because my confidence was so high. I'd take the retracement trades and the pushback down. But
what happened to the confidence now?
I realized I really don't need it. I really don't need to take
Right.
2 trades. I was like, that's just over trading at that point. I could just chill and wait for the big move and then be like, okay, that's when I take it. How can I be homophobic?
That song isn't all that actually.
What?
Day in the Life. It's not all that.
Oh,
I
what
don't know
song?
why. I don't get why it blew up. Day in the Life.
Oh, day in the
I know
life.
it's because of TikTok, but the actual song itself, I don't think
Nah.
it's all
I think best.
Damn,
What's
this
the?
one's
Have you,
popular.
do you listen to
that. 320k.
to Dave?
Yeah, sometimes.
What do you think his best song is?
Best song.
Yeah,
Clash was a banger.
Clash was a banger.
Older ones. Streatham was good.
Personally, I feel like it's
Jacket, there's
Bedanks.
one. But Danks, yeah. There was one.
This one. Hold on. I feel like this is the best song he's ever produced. Not produced, but hold on, you can't hear it.
Not yet. TikTok vibe. Yeah, that's good.
I think this, in terms of just chilling and vibing, this is probably the best song.
Oh, these are the songs you play that make you feel like a badass. You know when you're driving a nice car, and everyone's in it. Anyway. There's a similar one to this you'll probably like then. What's it called? It's from the album before this.
Location.
No, it sounds similar. Psychodrama. Screwface Capital. Search that up, you'll like that. It's basically the exact same. So.
Nah, yeah, I still feel like this is one of the best songs he's released. It's still one of the best songs he's released, so thus far. I think it's better than Clash, honestly. I think Clash was just, because I think the opening of Clash is just catchy. It's like Jordan 4s or Jordan 1 or Jordan 1.
Bro, when I was at DHL, every single day they played the same song.
Bro.
I don't know what happened. They were at some concert, and he switched, and he kept playing it every single day. I was like, bro, what the fuck you did? It's a thing. You know what it is? It's the video, the music video.
There you go.
Because when you listen to the song, you hear the music.
What do you want to get out of gold exactly? Oh, he's gone. Oops.
Yeah.
I keep hearing asked earlier, check for gold now. I checked for gold earlier, so it's fine. I'm actually quite good at like looking at like the chat while looking at this the game, because my brother was on my stream and always like bloody talk, and I'm able to like play and read. So therefore I can drive and text now.
What?
Let's see the next one. Perfect.
I made a link with the Russians, 6-figure discussions, dinners in public, my linen all tailored, my outstanding payments, swift like Taylor, boy I owe them man a beating, but
That's
don't watch
perfect.
what I'm making, just know
That is perfect, my friend.
I put the pay in pagan,
What is it? Butterfly Effect? It's the song you went for.
I'm trying to hug my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't.
my location changes quicker than years on a brand new Porsche Cayman. I told RJ put down the line and he did, but he's got another free line.
Are you playing two different songs?
No?
Greed and the hatred. I'm saying who's on votes, we'll hit up a nigga and see who's on smoke when it's that
Why can I hear Lil TJ?
Little TJ? I ain't playing Little TJ, G.
line. It's been 15 minutes since me and her fucked, and I'm saying we still in the house for.
That's weird. What was that coming?
You know the job right like Southpaws outdoors. Me and my niggas are rule outdoors. I tell a man speak.
That's part of the song. It sounds like Lil TJ.
I do not have one need because a friend if it's beef on the ends and it's peak for them. This thing's coming like Pokemon Go because I seen man once, never seen him again. Man don't really want to walk to the shop or jump on the train. He's got tension. One eye on my ops, two eyes on my friends because at least my ops man knows their intentions.
Yeah, it's a good song to be fair.
Lesson, I turn a curse to a gift and a blessing.
Professor X.
Got an interest in face, interesting, body impressive.
Oh, is this Screwface?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's similar to that.
Questions. I get the same if I did it again because I still don't know the definition.
What about Professor
We
X?
can't.
Tweaking. 120 on M-way speed.
Yeah. Oh no, that's isn't that paper drill? Paper
Nah.
something.
Is it? Nah, it's Professor X, bro. Isn't it? No, it isn't.
No, the drill song was good. The drill one. Is that you? Yeah. Is that you?
Oh, it is. This is it, yeah. Tweaking, right? Yeah, it is, yeah. Professor X.
What's the song? What about the drill one? Paper cuts. That's the one.
Yeah, paper cuts, yeah. Chocolate brown and Reese's Pieces. If you're doing 120 on M1, bro, you're gonna get caught by cameras. There's cameras everywhere. Just to let you know.
That's why he said it, bro. He's like, everyone knows I am my sinner.
Everyone knows I don't care. I think when he blew up, he was like 20 or 21 or something.
Bro, not even that. He blew up off. He was 16 years old. He did a black box.
Oh, did he? Oh, mad.
It's a freestyle.
I'm mad.
Man. Even now he's young, isn't he? He's like 24.
Yeah. He's still young. Fair play to him. More power to him, bro. I'll get him on a podcast.
See. He is an enigma, to be fair. Dave is an enigma. Or Dave. What you saying, Dave?
Like class.
You know you gotta be good if your name is Dave and you blew up. You gotta be good.
That's true.
It's like a black guy named Dave. Come on.
It's because I am still.
Does TikTok care if, like, they're still gonna push it if I don't use their caption system, innit? Do you reckon?
I don't know. I haven't checked that far.
You know that first post? Did you edit it in any way?
A little
From the
bit.
music?
Yeah. No. No, I didn't.
Alright,
No.
that's calm then. That means
I used the Instagram one. Yeah, those are the two trend. We have 5 people looking at our account right now. 5 profile views.
Nice. We live stream every weekday.
R8 or the Lamborghini. Yo. What's everyone saying? Alright, just waiting for gold, man. Gold is so long, bro. I need a bad one. I should probably, like, advertise that you want to trade today. Like, at some point here. I'll do this.
Huh?
I'll do this.
On where? Oh, you mean on the stream?
Yeah.
Come on. Link in our. So is the YouTube link not in the TikTok bio?
What?
We can't have the YouTube link on our bio yet, can we? On TikTok.
Yeah. Hold on. Plus two. No, we can't. No.
So it's link in our Instagram. Let's put some hashtags. Or not?
There we go. Winning trade 2%. Great. It's advertised on our stream now. Plus 2%, guys. We don't do pips.
Yeah.
We do percentage.
It's worked for him though somehow. People have.
I don't like pips, bro.
I think why not just put your percentage? Like, you
I don't
must be
like
getting
pips,
decent
bro.
gains, innit?
Yeah.
You must be getting decent gains. Why
Because
not
pips
just
could mean so many different things.
I know.
Could mean 1p per pip. It could be 2 pip. At least 2%. At least it's 2% of your account, right?
Yeah, no matter what you're on,
Yeah.
2%.
Some people can over leverage, win the trade, and have 5% from that 2 pips. Some people can like over leverage and lose their account from that 2 pips. We don't know. People can say it's only 2 pips, but it depends how you how big your lot sizes are.
Do you know if there's a limit on hashtags on TikTok?
Not that I've reached. No, I haven't reached a limit.
Like, there's an option to automatically share to Instagram. We'll try that. Not now, but we'll try next time. I've got a feeling about this one.
You look at our YouTube as well. Like the amount of copyright claims we have. It's hilarious.
We must do that. Right, we decided to.
You just go on with it. We're like, yeah, screw it.
It was a logical decision.
Actually, how many views we got now on YouTube? I want to know.
I barely click on it anymore. So
Not on the actual views, like total views. 526 total views.
jeez,
Not bad.
I feel like max I'm 50 of them, surely. 40,
Yeah.
30. Like one per video, I'm saying maybe.
We've done alright. How many videos we got altogether?
We've actually got a lot of videos already, you know.
Do we?
If you think about it, we've uploaded a lot. Or you did a lot. And
Yeah.
streams is a lot.
Yeah. Well, if you don't count streams, right?
Yeah, actually, you're gonna have a lot more than us.
If we don't count streams, I mean, we have quite a
We
bit.
need to be more. I need to make sure. I need to remember to upload shorts in there as well. Like, I don't really.
Because like, it's like, yeah, so 10 on recent, no. It's got 1 on Forex breakdown and then 6 on Forex forecast analysis. So 7 altogether without the streams. Not bad. Obviously, we stream every day, so like,
That is the main. Yeah, that is the main thing. Isn't it?
I think it's clean, you know. This whole like how it looks, I feel like it's clean. The recent videos up here, and then you got the Forex live over here, and then Forex forecast down here, and I got the shorts, and then you can see me closing my eyes. That is a great picture to end up
Come on, bro. You gotta remember the thumbnail.
bro. You see how many videos I banged out in a day, though.
Yeah.
You can see I'm wearing the same hoodie. How many videos did I bang out then? So many. I had to get the news out to people. The gold is crashing. You know, YouTube transcribes your voice, so it knows what you're talking about. So it pushes to the people that want to talk about the same thing. Do you know that? It's crazy.
You say that again.
It transcribes your voice. Like if you're talking about Forex and stuff like that,
While
if you
you're
keep
streaming.
repeating it, yeah, and posting videos, it transcribes it and go like, oh, okay, they're talking about Forex, they're talking about the keywords, and that's how they push it to people. It's bro, it's crazy technology.
That makes sense because you got auto captions, innit?
Yeah, you do have auto caption.
But
Yeah.
that means they can hear everything.
They can hear everything. Yeah, it's crazy. What's everyone's ideas? Euro JPY. Why do I keep getting pushed Euro JPY ideas? I never don't want this. Also, can I stream on thing yet?
7 already on the new one on Insta.
Oh really?
Pretty fast compared to usual.
Can I stream here? Bro, they still haven't accepted my request to stream on TradingView. What is wrong with them?
You know, must be a lot of people. Somewhere. But I remember this Richard guy. He was in my maths class.
Who? Richard? Oh yeah, he was.
Oscar,
Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, I probably was,
Yeah,
but he
I
was
remember.
in sixth form. Yeah.
Yeah, him and Oscar were boys, mate.
They were, bro. They were. I don't know if Oscar
Wait,
recommended.
what? Did he
But
take? Was he in? Was he in business or?
he probably was in business. Yeah. I think he's doing business at uni now. So.
No, it was him and Michael Jordan. I think were mates as well.
Well, because
where
they
I
went to
remember-
the same. They went to the same high
Yeah.
school.
That's what I remember from the maths class. I was thinking Oscar didn't take maths, did he?
What a name though, Michael Jordan.
Innit? Yeah.
You got a lot to live up to there.
True.
The thing is, everyone calling Michael Jordan instead of just Michael. It's crazy.
Did they? Did they just say their
Yeah,
full
it's Michael
name?
Jordan. Yeah.
There's always those types of people, isn't there? You say their full name for no reason.
No, there is a reason. He's called Michael Jordan. That's why.
No, but I mean, there's other people like. There's no reason to do it. You just say their full name. Everything.
Who's viewing? He's viewing. Pop up on chat, bro. Say hi. We need interactions. That's what we need. Please interact.
Where's
Live streaming's fun when people put stuff on the chat. Please put stuff on the chat. I beg. Stay for the music, stay for the analysis, or stay for the chat. Whichever one. We still haven't
someone
broken
said
highs.
something.
Huh?
Someone said something.
Ah,
That
man.
Adeel guy. Oh, wow.
Ah, yeah. 2% win from that Adeel guy.
Pretty good.
Good job, Adeel guy.
But yeah, what were you gonna say?
Good job, Adeel guy. I said the lowest highs still hasn't been broken, which is quite annoying.
On
Gold,
what?
man. Anything. Nothing's moved. Nothing's moved. Market's so dead
DJ
today.
came into the area and pushed down.
Bro, the market is so dead today. It's insane. Unless
Nah,
you're
look,
like a
G-
scalper.
GJ,
Huh?
GJ.
GJ.
DJ came into this area, slowly pushing down. Slowly.
Nah. Bring it past
But the session is nearly ending.
that. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, so all the executions are going to be in Discord. I wouldn't be able to execute this session and this live stream today. So all my analysis and all that will be in the Discord. And in the Discord link is going to be in the description below if I remember to add it. Let's see.
Come on, bro.
I did.
Noise.
Yeah. It's free. It's a free Discord, so, you know, there's absolutely no loss for you guys losing. And it's a lot less shading than Telegram, so great. I reckon Telegram, I don't know, Telegram would be easier to grow in because everyone has Telegram that does trading. But yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, a lot of people do.
But like, I don't really want to do Telegram, it's too sketchy, I think.
Yeah, it's too overused. Join my Telegram group.
Everyone who doesn't want to take responsibility for their financial advice goes on Telegram. Not financial advice, guys. Not financial advice.
You know on Linktree, did you sign in with...
Your just sign in with Google.
Why did it say Engine?
Engine. What?
Engima.
Did I misspell it?
No, I haven't signed in yet. It was just the thing that was already saved for some reason.
Weird.
Enigma.
I need to change the Canva thing actually. The starting screen because it says enigma. If you guys can't tell as well, I'm very ill at the moment, so that's why I sound like this. I sound normal normally. We're doing alright. We're doing alright. Okay, go on. Yeah, screw your selling area, deal. We're pushing past it. Screw you. Come on, go on, GJ. Prove me right. Push up to the next level and then collapse. So I get a trade. I'm about to have like 5 trades here in one go. It's crazy. I got GA sells. Well, GU is supposed to be buys, but yeah, it didn't work out. GJ sells. Gold sells.
Yeah, GJ is coming to the area now.
And Bitcoin sells, bro. I'm selling everything right now. I'm so like negative with the market right now. It's crazy. The market is not. The market will not recover ever again. This is it, guys. It's doomed. That's what I'm thinking. No, maybe.
Yeah,
No, to be
GJ
fair,
in
like the
area.
market, every market seems to be very bearish at the moment. That's why I'm selling. It's not. I mean, let's see. Let's see. Would I consider this a good buying opportunity? Let's see. Yeah, that's a good buying opportunity. So like, push back down, take these liquidity out, push back up, go up to this level. If not, go up to 168. Down here, up here, and at most, look at the weekly level right here, to 167 because of that weekly level. That's a good buying level. Look, and a weekly as well. If you trade what's it called, head and shoulders, kind of like a head and shoulders over here, forming. But I don't trade that, so let's not go too in depth on that. Bro, like flipping the chart actually helps quite a bit.
I'm about to sell GJ.
Oh dear.
Once it breaks candle low.
I'll share your screen then. Last trade of the day.
Yeah, like I said, about to sell GJ once it breaks this candle low. There we go. Stop loss is above the high, so 339. Let's put 340. Yeah, broke the low on MT5. That's how we roll. So 5.5 tip stop loss. TP will be 11 because that is 5.5 times 2. Quick maths. That wasn't A-star maths right there. Don't worry.
This is why he took maths in sixth form.
What, just so I could
See that.
Cause I knew I was gonna live stream, so I was like,
Yeah.
all right. Once price reaches 225, we're gonna move to break even, and then I want to 170. There we go. Oh, we got a follower from my trade. Very nice. Actually, might not be my trade, but it probably is. You know what's funny about reels and everything? You can spend an hour editing something, and then you could do something that takes 5 minutes or literally 1 minute to record, and it'll do better.
True.
So mad.
It's so random, isn't it?
It's like the markets. It doesn't care how long you talk. It's gonna do what it does.
Yeah. Did that jump
What?
on MT5? Did it jump?
Yeah, I've got one of those invisible candles.
Yeah.
It does that for dojis, doesn't it? It just doesn't even show.
Oh, it's because of the color. It's because of the color you put your chart on.
Oh, I'm
It blends
showing my
in.
vibe. I'm not showing my thingy. So stream didn't even see.
Oh, it did. It showed you entering.
I can see trading. There we go.
Actually, that's actually wrong. That's actually GBPUSD, not GBPJPY.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
While GU is pushing up, will the second trade be a loss on stream? Let's find out in a short while.
In a short while, yeah?
A minute.
Will you be liquidity?
Did my stream cut out for you? Oh my
No.
shit.
No?
Oh, that's good.
Will you be liquidity is the question.
It could be. I feel like we grabbed enough liquidity. Saying that, there are obviously the buy stops waiting above here. And buy stops waiting above here too.
That's showing what I'll be selling as well.
Could be. Either way, we're up for the day. Following the system.
Oh, there it is.
Alright, SL has been hit.
SNL.
What?
What the hell does SNL mean?
SL?
Oh.
Who said SNL, bro?
You.
I actually didn't, I said SL.
Did you hear?
Hearing things.
Yeah, apparently. There you go. That's the end. Fortunately, a rough end, but it is what it is. Plus 1% today. Not bad. At the end of the day, you win some, you lose some. A percent is still better than nothing.
Wow.
Still better than nothing. But yeah.
That's why you don't have one-to-one risk reward. That's why that doesn't work.
Yeah, or else you'd be at break even. So, yeah, not too bad. Decent day today. Obviously, I didn't actually get any trades today. Well, yet. I also traded during the London session as well. Sorry, New York session. But I don't stream it. Most of my analysis and execution will be in Discord. So if you guys want to follow along, get free analysis and stuff like that, just follow the link in the description. But I mean, yeah, that's 2 trades done. We don't want to take any more trades. So thank you all for watching, and see ya. Bye.
Peace in a bit.